What's going on, guys? I know I'm starting the video up just a little late, but we're at the trail and I gotta watch. There's people inside the fucking church. Shit, dude. There's fucking 2 cars coming into the fucking church, bro. I don't want to fucking creep in the hell out. There's no way they didn't just not see me. You have to have fucking seen me. We're heading over that way. Yeah. If we have to, we'll stay in the woods. We can dip in the fucking woods. Burnt rubber. Somebody just fucking pulled a goddamn burnout here in the fucking church parking lot. I can smell it. It's like a fucking fresh burnout. I think it was over here. Woods are over there. So, I guess we're good. I don't know. I want to stay far into this area over in there. I think, oh shit, it's right here. They just fucking done a burnout right there. I think I can see it right where they did it too. Sweet. My man just done a fucking burnout there, so we're good. I think it's right there. I'm pretty sure that's it. Fuck, I don't want to be in the fucking light in case they fucking question why the hell I'm over here. We'll just fucking dip into the woods, so. That's definitely a fucking burnout. Burnt rubber for sure. Holy hell. Burnt rubber in this area, whole area here. For sure, bro. Holy shit. Alright, I don't want down here, I don't want right here. I want like down in this area, so. Fuck. Hopefully a car doesn't come down through here though. I'm not. Dude, there's fucking cars all over the fucking construction site. Fuck, I need a fucking light on or something. I don't know if they can see me through here, but we're fine, I guess. I want to watch the construction site close up. Maybe get onto the property. Maybe sneak onto the property. Right. So we're near the woods. This part of the woods again. The construction site woods. Or as I like to call them, the private property woods. But fuck it, we're just gonna call it woods. I don't know, but we're here. There's a fucking bright ass light there, so I might just calm this one down and just have this one on. Because I don't think the church can see down this. This is still the church road. The construction site's definitely closing up for the night. I can tell. There's a whole bunch of fucking cars leaving. You can hear machines and shit still. I want to get onto that fucking property to sneak over there, but it's a little too risky right at this point to do it. Yeah. We can go right through here and do it. Fuck. Shit. Fucking whore. Yes, we got it. So we're in the other part of the woods. I've never been to this part of the woods at night. So. I can very fucking smell that shit coming over that way. Trail's right there, and the woods are. Yo, my thing reflects. That's fucking crazy, dude. Like I said, this light goes far. Shit, we're over here at the trail. Holy shit. Yo. Do we even need this light on? Shit, yeah. It's not that fucking bright. Shit. Quiet. The next thing that happens is I'm not gonna get caught by the cops being over this far. But I think security's definitely over here. I guess security comes over here from time to time to watch this place. Shit. There's a hole right here in the fucking fence. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. There's a hole right here. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go onto the property. And officially, second, we're on military property. Guys, look at that, we're on property. Fuck. Fuck, dude. Dude, shit, I think he's seen us. Fuck. Fuck. We did it. We got onto the property. Let's get the fuck out. I'm getting the fuck out. Fuck that shit. I'm not taking chances. Shit, he's coming. Fuck. We're leaving. Fuck this shit. I'm not going to jail. They say if you go into that property, your ass is arrested. We out? Am I out? I fucking hope so. I really fucking hope we're not still on the property. I can't believe I was actually on that property. I can't believe I actually got on that fucking property without getting caught. I think we actually did get caught though. Fuck. Bullshit. It's bullshit. In fact, I think we actually did get caught once. Sneaking. But I'll do that shit again. When I go out for my walks at 3 a.m. during the summertime, I'll see if I can do that shit. I've been blind that motherfucker right there. Fucking asshole. Oh. Fucking doing that shit again where it doesn't want to fucking turn on. Fuck. Dude, what the fuck? My flashlight's fucking around again. It's doing shit where it doesn't want to turn the fuck on, for real. Come on, fucked up flashlight. I think he's calling the cops. Last time. Fuck, dude. Oh, shit, there it goes. I don't know what the fuck is Shit, we're way too far over. We're gonna go back the way we came. fucking thing doesn't want to work. Another car showed up, but fuck, dude. I should have just stayed on that property for like 10 minutes. See if he realized. But if he calls the cops, that's my only thing. If he calls the cops, I'm fucked. But not too bad. Fuck, dude, I can't even grab the fucking flashlight. Fucking flashlight on my phone, come on, bro. Fucking torch needs to come on. This fucking flashlight's fucked up now. I can't even use it. I should have grabbed the little one. Yo, it's fucking stupid. Come on. Fucking work. Or else I'm not gonna bring the big one anymore. I need to start bringing the smaller one. I just can't believe I actually got onto the property. If this fucking church says anything, I'll just fucking run. If they would just dip into the fucking woods. It's literally like right there. Pretty sure there's fucking deer that sit over there and eat shit. So, cool beans, but this fucking flashlight doesn't stay the fuck on. Why? Come on. Fucking stay on, bro. I'm tired of this shit. This fucking flashlight's not. And Jesus Christ, I think there's a car. Oh shit, I think they've noticed me. Shit, they did. We're fucked. We're fucked. There's no reason to take fucking cover. Cause like how they can't fucking not. It's not like they just can't fucking see me. Fuck, there's a truck coming. We'll dip into the. Fuck. Oh shit, finally. If I would have had my bigger ass fucking flash. Yo. Oh fuck shit. Fuck that shit. I think they fucking knew I was on the property. Fucking this flashlight better hurry up, because I'm not fucking around with it. It's that button right the fuck here. It won't turn on. I can't get it to turn on. It's fucking stuck. Why is there a fucking light right here? Why is there a fucking random ass light in the middle of the fucking woods? That's just fucking creepy. Has to be fucking stuck in there or something. I can't fucking fix it. I can't get this big ass light to come on. Fuck this shit, we're just gonna go. At least light won't come on. I don't know why. It's just not coming on. For nothing. And I don't understand why. I don't know why the fuck it won't come on. Once I get off this trail and I get a far distance away from it, I'll see if I can fix it, but until then, I don't know. I'm just gonna start bringing the smaller one. because this one just gets fucking stuck. And I don't understand why. Shit. I just don't understand why it gets stuck. Which I need it. Fucking crucial that I need this fucking flashlight to work. This fucking flashlight on my goddamn camera or phone doesn't do much, but it helps. We did it, guys. We went onto the military property. Well, not military. Well, technically military property because fucking flashlight doesn't want to fucking work. I can't understand it. Shit, is there a car coming out this way? Fuck. Well, there's a little bench or something down here, like a little set of bricks. I wanna sit there real quick and see if I can find out what the holy shit is wrong with this fucking flashlight. Because I don't even know. It's not even that cold out today. Like last night it was fucking, oh shit, it's freezing like, goddamn, it's gonna fucking freeze me up in a brick of ice. But tonight, it's like fucking mild as hell out. I don't understand Maryland weather. I don't understand Maryland weather at all. I can't seem to fucking fix a goddamn flashlight when it needs to be fixed. It's just weird. I'll be right there, guys. Can't. It won't turn on for jack shit. Alright. I don't understand this flashlight. It just will not turn on for nothing. So, I don't know. This is gonna be a video of half of it being a flashlight and then the other half just not being fucking light at all. Barely any. So, I don't understand it. But I don't know, that's gonna be it for today's video. Didn't hear anything, didn't see anything. In fact, before I started the video, I did see a deer. But I'm just gonna say I didn't see it because if I didn't get on camera, it doesn't matter. So I didn't see a goddamn thing today. But it's like mild out tonight. It doesn't feel that bad. So we're just gonna end the vlog or video, whatever in the holy hell you want to say it was today. We're gonna end it. So if you guys did enjoy, holy shit. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you like the video and do whatever the fuck you want with it. I don't give a shit. If you want to fucking share, I don't give a whole fuck how much you do with the video. So